I've spent a bit of time just trying to get his proportions right, and I've got his eyes pretty good. So now they're looking up at about the same level. I've sort of gone over, got everything reasonably good the way I like it. I've gone over and sanded it with just a belt sander. So he's fairly smooth and there's no real big cuts and grooves in him and that sort of stuff. What I'm going to do now is use a bit of stain just to colour him, and that stain I'll also use to shade him. So it's just a slightly darker stain to highlight him. Still don't know about the eyes, how to make those the best. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm going to leave the eyes here without any stain on at the moment. I'm leaving them till last because I think his eyes are going to be the most important thing that I need to get right. So if I don't get them right, it won't happen. But for now, all I'm going to do is put a bit of stain on a rag and just do this, and he'll gradually get darker. So I'm going to get to it. Ta-da! Here he is. Well, I'm really pleased with him. I think he's come up an absolute treat. I did mention that I was going to stain him. So I did a little bit of stain. I thought, yuck, keep away from that. That looked crap. So if you have the idea of doing a bit of stain on there, forget it already, don't even bother. So what I did was get a clear product that's got oil in it. It's like an oil base, but it has epoxy in it to harden. So I gave him a couple of coats with that, and as you can see, in some places, like round his nose, it's like he's got a birthmark. Well, that's where a branch would have been coming out like this. Same here, same here, same here, like these down there. So that's what these are. So that's gone brown. No big deal, quite like the feature. But what I've also done is sanded off from his tongue, his teeth, and his eyeballs to give it a little bit lighter, a little bit more of that to him, which I'm really happy with. And I've mucked around with his eyes a bit. Initially I've had them wood. Looks okay, but not enough of it. So I got bored with it pretty quick. Then I just did other coloured things that ended up in the end just getting some epoxy and some green and some blue colouring, mixing it up and just filling his eyeballs with the epoxy and then blackening out in the middle to give him that vivid eyed look. So all in all, I'm really happy with him. It's been a really good project. Really been enjoying doing him every day, and I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do something up here. Not 100% sure yet, but maybe even something here. I don't know, but I want to keep chipping. It'll be great. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching the video. I've really enjoyed making it, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when we're going to start something else. Cheers.